7. No guilt healthy, yet yummy and easy dessert recipes. Recipe 1. Apple Oat Jujube Cake. Ingredients: 70 grams rolled oats, 2 medium apples, chopped, 70 green rolled oats, handful of chopped walnuts, 5-6 crushed red dates, 2 large eggs, 100 ml milk or dairy-free alternative. Instructions: 1. Preheat air fryer to 340 Fahrenheit. 2. In a mixing bowl, combine apples, oats, walnuts, red dates, eggs, and milk. Mix well. 3. Pour the mixture into baking bowl, smoothing out the top. 4. Air fry at 340 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. 5. Allow to cool slightly before slicing. Enjoy. Recipe 2. Sweet potato oat egg tarts. Ingredients: 1 sweet potato, 50 grams rolled oats, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon sweetener, 100 ml milk. Instructions: 1. Steam the sweet potato until soft. Mash until smooth. 2. Mix mashed sweet potato with oats to form a dough. Shape into tart shells. 3. Preheat air fryer to 320 Fahrenheit. 4. Beat eggs with sweetener and milk until combined. 5. Place tart shells in the air fryer, air fry tart shell for 10 minutes at 320 Fahrenheit. 6. Then fill tart shells with egg mixture, leaving space in between. Air fry at 340 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Serve after cooled. Recipe 3. Oatmeal egg pancakes. Ingredients: 1 scoop rolled oats, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons boiling water, 2 eggs, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon black sesame seeds. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix oats, flour, and boiling water. 2. Stir in egg, salt, and sesame seeds until smooth. 3. Heat non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in batter, cook until bubbles form. Flip and cook until golden. 4. Serve warm with healthy syrup or fruit. Recipe 4. Banana berry yogurt oat parfait. Ingredients: 100 grams rolled oats, splash of milk, 150 grams zero sugar yogurt, 1 banana sliced, dozen of blueberries. Instructions: 1. Layer oats at the bottom of a bowl or jar. 2. Add a splash of milk to soak the oats. 3. Top with sliced bananas and yogurt. 4. Repeat layers ending with blueberries. 5. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Enjoy! Recipe 5. Dark chocolate oatmeal pudding. Ingredients: rolled oats, unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 egg, milk. Instructions: 1. Combine oats, cocoa powder, egg, and milk in a pot. 2. Simmer on low heat, stirring constantly until thick. 3. Divide mixture into paper cups, filling halfway. Top with remaining mixture. 4. Smooth the surface, refrigerate for an hour. 5. Remove paper cups and place puddings in an air fryer. 6. Brush tops with beaten egg yolk and air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Enjoy. Recipe 6. Blueberry oatmeal mousse. Ingredients: 50 grams oats, 200 grams unsweetened yogurt, blueberry jam. Instructions: 1. Mix oats and yogurt until combined. 2. Heat milk and stir until melted. 3. Mix milk into the oat yogurt mixture. Pour into molds and refrigerate for 4 hours. Enjoy. Recipe 7. Red date oatmeal. Ingredients: 2 eggs, milk, 6 red dates, wolfberries, rolled oats. Instructions: 1. Beat 2 eggs in a milk and water mixed bowl. 2. Add red dates and wolfberries, oats. 3. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Stir and boil for 3 minutes. Serve. Happy cooking? Enjoy!